Deforestation, it is again one important environmental issue which we are facing nowadays. D means to eliminate, and forestation means forest, elimination of forests. So the permanent removal, deterioration, or decrease in forest area is called deforestation. There are several causes of deforestation. Basic or fundamental needs of human beings, they have created this most hazardous effect or crisis nowadays, particularly demand for fuel wood, demand for timber wood, jhum cultivation, particularly in northeastern regions of India, also is responsible for deforestation. For deforestation, construction of railway projects, construction of dams and reservoirs is also one of the important cause of deforestation. And this deforestation may lead to several environmental issues. Because of deforestation, CO2 level in the atmosphere is increased. Because of deforestation, particulate pollutants in the atmosphere may increase and it may cause pollution, and the problems like global warmings, etc., they are facing to us. So if we will observe that the forest area of India is reduced to a greater quantity. Generally, the preferred forest area is near about 33% of the total land available in a particular region or in a particular country, state, district, etc., or in a nation. If we will observe that forest area of India is found to be only 19%. On an average, 19% forest is available in India, and this is a much serious problem which we are facing nowadays. We have to improve forest area and we have to brought it near about 30%. Each state, each nation, each district, each region should try to maintain this forest area near about 33%, so that most of the problems will be under control, or the environmental issues will get reduced, unless and until we will not improve the forest area. We will not improve the forest area, and we should not try efforts to increase the forest area up to 33%. Reforestation, restoring forest in a particular area where forests were present in recent past is called reforestation. So see here, at once in recent past forests were available but were diminished or destroyed because of certain natural calamities like floods, like volcanoes, like droughts. In this area, new forest they are deliberately raised, and this phenomena is known as reforestation. So restoring forest in a particular area where forests were present in recent past is called reforestation. Agroforestry Agroforestry is nothing but it is the use of same land for agriculture purposes as well as for forestry, that is for raising tree species. In agroforestry, particular tree species they are cultivated in the same piece of land where agriculture is done traditionally. So this agroforestry and reforestation has contributed in increasing forest area in our country. So they contribute much to increase or to improve forest cover in our country. Now let us discuss regarding agrochemical wastes, which is again one important environmental issue which we are facing nowadays.